For many young adults today, the opportunity to work remotely represents an exciting new frontier. Earning an income from the comfort of your own home, a coffee shop, or even from your college dorm room is fast becoming the norm. The flexibility and freedom that remote jobs offer can help balance academic obligations, personal projects, or simply allow you to start building career skills early. Whether you're looking to supplement your studies with part-time work, launch your career, or explore different industries before settling on a long-term path, there's a wide array of remote job opportunities perfectly suited for beginners. Let's dive into some of the most accessible remote job ideas ideal for young adults at various skill and experience levels. Many companies today are eager to hire customer service representatives for remote roles. Businesses like Amazon, Alorica, and Concentrix are always on the lookout for tech-savvy, patient communicators who can help customers resolve issues via phone, chat, or email. These jobs often don't require prior experience. Instead, you'll undergo training that covers the essential tools and customer interaction techniques. With flexible schedules and the chance to develop in-demand soft skills, this role can be a great launching pad. Another in-demand entry point is as a data entry clerk. This position involves digitizing data, entering information into spreadsheets, or updating company databases. The work is often repetitive, but requires keen attention to detail and accuracy. It's a practical job for college students who need something semi-flexible, allowing you to work in blocks of time that fit around your studies. If you have strong organizational skills, consider working as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants support individuals or small businesses by managing email, scheduling appointments, and sometimes taking on basic bookkeeping or customer outreach. This job provides not only variety, but helps hone your multitasking skills. And in many cases, you can tailor your services to align with your interests, such as marketing, writing, or logistics. One of the most satisfying ways to earn remotely, especially if you excel in a particular subject, is becoming an online tutor. Platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, or Cambly pair you with students eager to improve their skills, often in mathematics, science, languages, or test preparation. Not only does tutoring reinforce your own knowledge, but it helps you develop communication and teaching abilities that are valuable in almost any career. For those with a knack for listening and typing, working as a transcriptionist is another practical remote option. Companies like Rev and TranscribeMe contract freelancers to turn audio recordings into written documents. This job rewards fast typists and attentive listeners, and you can choose projects that interest you, whether in media, research, or the legal field. Chat support agents play a critical role in the digital customer experience. If you enjoy problem solving and can keep your cool under pressure, companies like LiveWorld and ModSquad tap into young adults who can provide rapid, friendly support via live chat. If you're creatively inclined, there are a wealth of content and design-focused remote jobs. Freelance writers or bloggers generate articles, website content, or post for a variety of clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. This can range from hobbyist blogging to ghostwriting for established companies. Start by creating sample articles or contributing to online publications to showcase your style. Social media has grown into a key marketing tool, making social media management a valuable skill for Gen Z, who often already understand the nuances of platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Managing posts, feedback, and engagement for brands and individuals lets you leverage your digital fluency and creativity. Establish a portfolio by running your own channels or helping friends and local businesses polish their social presence. If video is your forte, video editing for creators on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram is in demand. Even basic knowledge of editing tools like CapCut, iMovie, or Adobe Premiere can make you a valuable collaborator for influencers or businesses looking for fresh, engaging content. The realm of graphic design is equally promising. With basic training on tools like Canva or the Adobe Suite, you can design social posts, ads, presentations, or freelance logos. Build your portfolio by creating sample designs or volunteering with local organizations. For those with a clear and dynamic voice, stepping into the world of voiceover is another creative avenue. Websites like voices.com and Fiverr connect narrators with clients who need audio for ads, tutorials, or animations. If you have a technical bent, remote work has even more exciting opportunities. Web development. From building simple websites to customizing templates can be learned through self-study. Once you master HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript, you can start taking on freelance projects and building your reputation. Tech-savvy artists might gravitate to UX, UI design, helping companies improve their digital products visually and functionally. Platforms like Figma and Adobe XD provide intuitive entry points for beginners. Building a portfolio of redesigns or concept apps is a big asset here. Gamers or detail-oriented testers can also find work as QA or software testers, playing with new features and reporting bugs. No programming required. Just a knack for clear explanations and patience. Data lovers can start in junior data analysis with tools like Excel, or level up with skills in SQL or Python. Many companies hire part-time or contract data analysts to help with reports and interpreting customer insights. There are also ample remote options in sales and marketing. Remote sales associates or sales development representatives, SDRs, connect with potential customers, schedule calls, or generate leads. If you like interacting with people and learning about products, this can be a dynamic path. In the world of content-driven sales, affiliate marketing lets you promote products through your own content or social media, earning commissions on sales generated through your links. Many young adults find this a fun and flexible way to monetize their online presence. Email marketing assistance help businesses craft newsletters and manage campaigns using tools like MailChimp or Substack. Meanwhile, market research analysts gather and interpret data on consumer trends, vital intel for brands. The professional world offers more structured remote roles too. Recruiting coordinators assist HR with candidate screening, scheduling interviews, and onboarding. Project assistants, or coordinators, help manage deadlines and resources for distributed teams. Administrative assistants take on a variety of support tasks, all from home. If you're detail-oriented, roles like accounting clerk or bookkeeper offer steady work, especially for those with QuickBooks know-how. You don't necessarily need a degree or experience to get started. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Remote, OK, and We Work Remotely provide gateways into freelance and traditional remote work, while microtask platforms like Appen and Lionbridge let you earn money training AI or labeling data. If you're just beginning, focus on developing a small portfolio, even if it's just personal, volunteer, or school projects. Employers value demonstrated skills, so be proactive. Build, share, and always keep learning. In the digital era, where you start is only the beginning. The skills and confidence you develop now can lead just about anywhere.